Hi Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not in one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. This is a timeless reading. Every week, nagre-release po ako ng reading para as gabay. Okay? Para sa inyo. So, let's see. Ano yung messages or mga gabay para sa Capricorn. Okay? Okay. Merong barrel. You feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. Okay, you feel incomplete, parang meron pa kayong gustong abutin. Okay, pero may something na may kulang, no? Okay, pwede sa career nyo, sa love life nyo, sa negosyo. You are not happy or you're not that satisfied in your current situation. Fair woman. Dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. For some of you, maybe this is a foreigner or ibang lahi. Okay? You're dealing with that person. A fair woman, maputi. Okay? December. The month of December will be something important or memorable sa inyo or meron kayong mga important plans sa buwan na yan, okay, na mga gagawin, importanteng events or occasion. Apple, temptation will test you. Yes, may mga challenges na paparating sa inyo, okay, temptation, be aware of that, okay. Bouquet, compliments from an admirer, okay? Merong secret admirer ka, Capricorn. Okay. Or for some of you, may marireceive kang magagandang compliments about you, sa personality mo, sa character mo, okay? Behavior, mga good deeds mo, okay? Whale, get worry. Great worry over nothing. Okay? Be aware of that. Okay? Don't waste your time sa pag-worry. Over nothing. Okay? So, be aware of that, Capricorn. Let's see kung ano yung messages para sa inyo from the tarot for Capricorn, please. Capricorn, messages for Capricorn, please. Ano yung mga gabay para sa Capricorn? Capricorn. Okay. You are manifesting something positive, okay? Resources, money, wealth, opportunities. You are looking forward to it, okay? For some of you, you are a powerful person, a decision maker. Magagawa ninyo kung ano yung gusto ninyong gawin, okay? For some of you, you are working in a government or you are a government employee, okay? Yeah. Meron kang kakayahan, okay? Matapang ka, malakas ang loob mo, Capricorn. Okay? Kung meron mang mga challenges or mga may hirap na gawain, nagagawa nyo ng maayos, nagagawa ninyo. Okay? Kung merong mga gulo, naayos ninyo. Okay? For some of you, you are a troubleshooter. gumagawa ng solusyon kung may mga problema. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron man kayong mga hindi pagkakaunawaan with other people, okay? Forgive, okay? Release harsh judgment towards people or sa tao na yon, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are dealing with a Leo. Okay. Meron bang ibang opportunity or bagong opportunity for Capricorn when it comes sa work or sa career? You are doing well sa trabaho ninyo, okay? Nagfo-focus. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ba kayong inaaral? A training, a seminar, nag-a-attend ba kayo? Okay? To further develop your skills or to acquire new skills. Capricorn. Yan, nakafocus kayo sa work. Achievement. Something to achieve. Yeah. Yes, kung ano man, kung nahirapan man kayo sa inyong ginagawa or sa mga obligations ninyo or task, embrace the change. Merong pagbabago na mangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. For some of you, kailangan ng fresh air. Okay, pagod na sa inyong ginagawa, but you will be able to overcome it. Matatapos na yon, okay? Kung meron man nagtatraidor sa inyo, okay, backstabbing and all that, soon you will get the answers, you will get the clarity. Kung ano nangyayari, makakalabas kayo sa ganyang sitwasyon. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are stressed. You are tired. You need change. Okay? For some of you, gusto nyo ng pagbabago sa buhay nyo or sa nangyayari sa inyo kasi masyado ng routinary ang inyong ginagawa. So, for some of you, you are longing for a change. Change in lifestyle. Change ng routine. Okay? Yeah. There is someone na tutulong sa inyo to help you get up. Magbibigay sa inyo ng direksyon. Okay? Yeah. You need to plan your future. Okay? Planuhin ng maayos yung pang long term. Okay? For some of you, you will getting a new job. A new company. You will have a new boss. Yeah. There will be changes sa work ninyo or sa routine. Because of this person. A powerful person, someone na may mahalagang or may mataas na katungkulan sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, yes, you are thinking about the future, your plans for stability sa buhay ninyo. You need structure also in your life. You need a system. Okay? Magkakaroon ng bagong sistema, kaayusan sa inyong buhay or sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Magkakaroon ng kaayusan. Yeah, for some of you, be compassionate towards people yun na nasa paligid ninyo, okay? Yes, definitely you want change in your life. Magkakaroon ng bagong direksyon ang buhay ninyo. Yeah. Someone will help you, maybe a water sign, okay? Scorpio. Yeah, some of you are dealing with a Scorpio. There will be a change of direction sa life mo, sa trabaho mo, transfer. Okay, transfer, new department, okay? Merong pagbabago na mangyayari, okay? Life-changing situation. Yes, merong fear sa inyo. You have to release that fear and insecurities sa inyong current situation. Ayan. For some of you, you don't know kung anong direction ang pipiliin ninyo. Okay, anong path? Yeah. Okay. Release your fear. Okay, believe in yourself. Also, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong psychic ability. Okay, mataas or very sharp ang inyong intuition. You know kung merong mga tao na gumagawa sa inyo, okay? Spiritually. Na hindi maganda. Yeah, improvements. Yeah. You are moving forward to a better situation. There is improvement in terms of your money. Okay, you will be receiving a money. For some of you, merong increase of salary or mayroon kayong incentives or gifts na matatanggap. You are moving forward to a better situation. Okay? Something na fulfilling para sa inyo. Right now, you feel incomplete and you are looking forward. You are aiming or going towards a situation na meaningful para sa inyo and fulfilling. Okay? Maybe you will be chasing your dreams or your goals. You are going after it. Yes. Kung meron kayong be aware sa inyong mga dreams, sa inyong mga panaginip, may binibigay sa inyo ng mga senyales, okay? Signs. Okay. Yeah. The Empress, abundance, prosperity is on the way. Okay. Merong contentment and happy home life. You are looking forward to this, Capricorn. Yeah. Yeah, you are looking forward to this na mangyayari ito. Magkakaroon ng togetherness, occasion, okay, get together. Yeah, for some of you, you are a mother, okay? You are expecting or you are pregnant, okay? Yung iba sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga projects, okay? Creative projects na ginagawa. And soon, it will be launched. Okay, ilalabas nyo or i-showcase ninyo. Okay, there will be contentment, completion of that project successfully. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Material wealth. Okay. A prosperous days. Prosperous time for you. Okay. Happiness, contentment, abundance, money will come. Okay. Kung merong mga opportunities sa inyo na ino-offer, accept it confidently. Or kung meron kayong mga opportunities na gagawin like creative projects or passion projects, magiging successful siya. Okay. You have the Midas touch. Okay. Yes, good news is on the way. Delays will be over. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo nag-aantay ng magandang balita about kaperahan. Okay. Magandang resulta. Money. Yes. You will be victorious. You will be successful. People will celebrate you. Okay. You will be known. Okay. If you are doing online business, makikilala ka. You will be popular. You are famous. You will be famous. Okay. Magaling ka sa inyong ginagawa, Capricorn. Yeah. Okay. Ingat din for those people na nakikiselebrate or nagpapakita that they are happy for you, but for some of them hindi ganun yun, hindi genuine, okay, or hindi sincere. Yeah, ingat sa mga inggit. Okay, be aware of that. But you know success is coming, money will come to you. Okay, you will be receiving it. Delays are over. Yeah, kung meron, yeah, this money also, for some of you, manggagaling siya sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong creativity, sa mga projects ninyo. Yeah. This is a successful time for you, Capricorn. Okay? You are doing very well. And people admire you. Okay. Yeah. Kung merong hindi fair na nangyayari sa inyo, or sa tingin nyo it's because hindi kayo nabibigyan ng oras or ng atensyon, okay, hindi na-recognize ang inyong galing sa work, you will ignore that and you will move forward, okay, looking for something better, okay, better opportunities. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You aim for fairness. You aim for increase in money. You aim for attention or recognition ng inyong ginagawa. Okay? Kung meron man mga delays, that will be over. Yeah. Magkakaroon na, there will be generosity also for some of you. You will be receiving gifts or money. Okay? Or you will be the one giving it. Okay, receiving or giving, either way. Depende sa inyong situation, but these are the energies for you, Capricorn. Just take what resonates, okay? Yeah, there will be a change of direction. Okay. Yeah, there is insecurities in your situation. Merong hindi fair na nangyayari, but you know, kung hindi man, you will just ignore it. It is advised that you leave it behind, move forward. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin paano yung message for you from the Spirit Messages Oracle. Message please for Capricorn. Capricorn, okay. If your mindset is fixed, try to free yourself from that and rise above it. Don't place limitations on what you think you can achieve. Don't stand in your own way. Allow yourself to flourish in all ways. Welcome abundance in all forms into your life. Okay? That's for you, Capricorn. Let's see from the angel number for Capricorn, please. No. Capricorn. For Capricorn. Okay. 333. If you keep seeing the number 333, this is the message for you. You are being called upon to use your spiritual gifts as a light worker, assisting all of humanity. Live your truths and be a positive light to others. I am powerful. Yes, you are powerful, Capricorn. Okay? So, share your gifts. Kung meron kang spiritual gifts, you can share it with the people you love and you care. Okay? And yung sa mga ibang tao na nangangailangan ng inyong tulong and clarity or enlightenment. Okay? Share it to others. So, these are the messages for you, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa iyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!